Have you ever wondered why, against all odds, you are still alive? Every close call, every illness, every moment where luck seemed to be on your side, maybe it wasn't luck at all. Maybe, according to quantum physics, you literally cannot die. Welcome to the theory of quantum immortality. To understand this, we have to go back to the very foundation of reality, the subatomic world, where the rules of common sense simply don't apply. In the quantum world, particles exist in a state of superposition. They are everywhere and nowhere at the same time until they are observed. Think of it like a spinning coin. While it's in the air, it's both heads and tails. It only becomes one or the other when it hits the ground. But what if the coin never lands? This led physicists to a startling conclusion: the many worlds interpretation. Every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits. In one world, the coin is heads. In another, it's tails. Both worlds are equally real, and this includes the most famous cat in history, Schrödinger's cat, locked in a box with a radioactive source. Until the box is opened, the cat is both alive and dead. Two realities existing at once. But here's the twist. If you are the cat, your consciousness cannot experience death. You can only exist in the branch where you survive. Your perspective is always locked to the timeline of survival. This is the core of quantum immortality. From your point of view, you are eternal. Physicists like Hugh Everett proposed this decades ago. While it sounds like science fiction, the math is shockingly consistent. It challenges everything we think we know about life and death. Every choice you've ever made, every what if, every regret. They aren't just thoughts, they are entire universes playing out right now. In one world, you took that job. In another, you married your high school sweetheart. In millions of others, you didn't survive that car crash 3 years ago. But you don't remember dying, because the you that is hearing this is the version that kept going. You are the survivor of an infinite number of close calls. Reality is a tree of infinite possibilities, and your consciousness is the water flowing up the trunk, always finding the path that continues. This brings us to the most controversial thought experiment in physics, the quantum suicide machine. A hypothetical way to prove the theory once and for all. Imagine a device that fires based on a quantum event, like the decay of an atom. 50% chance it fires, 50% chance it doesn't. If the atom decays, the machine fires. If it doesn't, it clicks. From an outside observer, the results are random. Half the time, you perish. Half the time, you survive. But from your perspective, the machine only ever clicks. You can never experience the timeline where it fires. You are forced to survive, attempt after attempt. To the world, you are incredibly lucky. To yourself, you are simply unable to cease existing. The probability of survival remains 100% for the observer. We think of probability as a gamble. But in quantum immortality, the house always wins. The universe is rigged in favor of your continued existence. This isn't just about survival. It's about the very nature of what you are. Are you a body, or are you a sequence of surviving consciousness? If this is true, it implies something terrifying: extreme longevity. As the universe ages, you continue. Even as the odds of survival plummet, you find the 1 in a trillion branch. Entropy takes everything else. Stars burn out. Civilizations fall. But your consciousness remains anchored to the rare pockets of order that allow you to persist. Does it mean you never age? No. It means you survive despite aging. You reach the outer edges of biological possibility, surviving things that should be impossible. You are the inhabitant of the most improbable timeline, a ghost in a machine designed to never stop. But what happens when the rest of the world is gone? Eventually, the branches thin out. The paths of survival become increasingly narrow. The world around you becomes a shadow of what it once was. Some speculate that survival might even bridge into digital realms. If consciousness can be uploaded, the many worlds interpretation might extend to the silicon world. We are approaching a point where the distinction between biology and technology blurs. Could quantum immortality be the ultimate goal of the singularity? But immortality isn't a gift. In a universe where you can't leave, it becomes a burden, a weight that increases with every passing century. Every person you've known, gone. Every place you've loved, changed. You become a relic of a past that no longer exists in your branch. A traveler with no home, anchored only by the fact that you still draw breath. How much can a single consciousness hold? Does memory eventually fail, leaving only the raw, eternal now? Is immortality without memory still you? You are the only constant in a sea of variables. The ultimate observer, forever trapped in the box with the cat. Because you are the cat. Eventually, the suns die. The heat death of the universe approaches. But if quantum immortality is true, you must still be there. In the one branch where life is still possible. This is what some call quantum hell. A state of existence so improbable, so fragmented that it borders on non-existence. But it never quite reaches it. Reality itself begins to decay. The laws of physics might start to break in the extreme branches you are forced to inhabit. A world of glitches and shadows. Existence becomes a loop, a cycle of survival that offers no exit. You are the survivor of the heat death, the last mind in the universe. Do you hear the echoes of the other versions of you? The ones who didn't make it? Or is the silence of your branch the only thing left? Your consciousness is an anchor. It holds you to reality, even as the world tries to drift away. You are the reason this universe exists. For you. We can't prove it. We can only experience it. You are living the proof right now, simply by existing. But is it a comfort or a warning? As we reach the end of our journey through the quantum many worlds, we have to face the most certain truth of all. The truth you've been living since the day you were born. Look around you, this moment, this breath. It's the result of an infinite number of successes. And yet, science can't prove quantum immortality. Not yet. Maybe not ever. The many worlds interpretation is still a hypothesis. Physicists debate it. Some reject it entirely. But here's what we know for certain. The universe operates on probability, not certainty. And you, specifically you, have survived every single probability that should have ended you. Every fever, every flight, every moment you didn't notice the car coming. Call it luck, call it physics, call it something else entirely. But somewhere, in a version of reality you will never visit, you didn't make it. And in this one, the one you're in right now, you're still here, in this version of reality. For now, at least for now.